May I know your name and where you stay in Bangalore, sir?
Yeah, my name is Vishal. We stay in Indiranagar.
How old is your child?
Our son is 3.5 years old.
What were you looking for your child?
We were looking for a place where he can interact with actual things. He can interact with other children of his age, and also grow in the sense that learn English, at least the starting base of it.
Which other schools did you consider?
So we went to a lot of nursery and play schools in and around Indiranagar, like Kids Space, Kidsy, and other nurseries, Kangaroos and everywhere. But what we didn't like about those places were either they had less toys or less things to interact with, or they had teachers who were conversing in regional languages instead of the English language. So that's about it. That's the reason we actually considered Jigyasa.
Okay. Which one did you finally choose and why?
So we finally chose Jigyasa. The main reason is, first of all, they have a lot of activities here. They have, in the school, they have more than about 100 different things, different toys that children play with. The teachers here only converse in English. They do not speak in regional language at all. And finally, the main reason was everyone is very friendly. All the teachers, including the principal, is very friendly, and they give regular updates to the parents.
How has your experience been with the Jigyasa?
Experience was good. It's only been about 1.5 months now with Jigyasa, but in this 1.5 months, we can see that our child has already started speaking a lot of English words at home, and in terms of discipline also, we see some improvements in him. So it's pretty good till now.
Anything that could be better?
Yeah, it could always be better. I mean, as I told you, it's only been only 1.5 months. So I won't say that this could be better, this could be better, but I would like to give it more time before I can actually tell that.
Based on your experience, tell me 2 best things what you like about Jigyasa.
Okay, based on my experience, first and foremost, I always wanted my son to have exposure to the English language from the very beginning. We talked to him in English even at home. So we wanted a play school where he could only see others, including children and teachers, converse only in English. So that's one thing I really like. Second thing is that from principal to all the teachers are very friendly. It doesn't matter when and how we call them up. They always answer our calls and explain us what they are doing and how they are doing it. Plus they have a website of their own. So they keep updating the website with photographs and what they have been doing the month and so on.
On a scale of 1 to 5, how likely you are to recommend Jigyasa to other parents?
We have already recommended a lot of friends to Jigyasa, so I would definitely rate 5 on that.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.